name is Maxim Zamkovoy. I'm a founder of Artificial Intelligence for Everyone, and I designed our first product, so-called Brain Connector. I'm mostly involved into functional design, UI, UX parts, and product development itself.
Hello, my name is Alexey Volkov. I'm a co-founder and I have more than 10 years experience in software engineering and 7 years of business. I have own outsourced company. That's why I can hire new professionals for Brand Connector, and we have ability to rapidly develop our product.
Hello, my name is Stanislav Zazhogin. I certified Red Hat architect and co-founder of this project. I focused on software engineering and solution architecture.